So I've been watching a lot of these giant mango mochi all over my TikTok feed, and I'm completely obsessed. They're apparently made at this restaurant in Vancouver, Canada called Riceholic, and there's a whopping 2 weeks wait time for them. And since I don't have the time to wait and I don't live in Canada, we're gonna try to make some at home today. And then if it works, I wonder what else we can mochi-fy. All right, so I am in the kitchen today and we are gonna be making those mango mochis. And Nate here is gonna be helping me test certain things. So we're gonna start by making our mochi. All we have here is some rice flour, glutinous rice flour. Regular rice flour will not work because this makes it sticky. Just some sugar and water, and that's all you need.
So where did you get all these mangoes from?
Well, it's funny you ask. I actually got them from Ralph's. So I want to thank Kroger for sponsoring today's video. All I did was log onto the Kroger app and I browsed the weekly deals and found mangoes 10 for 10. So guess what I did? You have almost 10 mangoes. They're only $1 each. And I also bought some other goodies for us to try to mochi-fy later. So get ready. With the Kroger app, you can search weekly deals, find savings, delivered right to your door, and you too can live out your mochi dreams within a few hours. Okay, so you ready to make your mochi?
Okay.
Mine's gonna look a little bit different, but go ahead and do yours first.
So what do I do here?
So all you have to do first is add the rice, glutinous rice flour.
This guy?
Mm-hmm. And then we have some sugar.
Sugar.
Give it a mix, mix, mix. I put 2 cups of water in here for us, but you really only need just one, so just do it carefully. 1 cup. You can go a little more. And then mix everything up.
Is it supposed to bubble up like this?
Yeah. So the thing about glutinous rice flour and like rice flour in general is that you don't have to worry about over mixing. That's pretty mixed. Cool, cool, cool. Now I'm gonna do mine. So mine has a little bit of a twist. The sugar, I'm gonna mix mine. I heard that if you put a splash of vinegar, it's supposed to make the mochi dough softer. So I don't know if that's true or not, but I'm gonna test it out. You're supposed to just put like a drop and then just give it a mix.
What about if we added baking soda?
I feel like that would change the consistency and make it more like cakey, although I've never done that before, so maybe.
Should I try it in mine?
No, maybe next time. And I measured it to be a cup of rice flour or glutinous rice flour, and you even used almost like less water than me too. That's so interesting. Okay, that'll be really cool to see how this turns out. Well, maybe it does change things, but next what we have to do is cover it up. Okay, and then basically we just microwave these. Okay, so after a minute, all I have to do is open it up and then give it a quick mix so that the dough kind of distributes or cooks evenly. I almost feel like yours is gonna cook faster than mine. Ooh, look, the bottom is already starting to come together. And then at this point, we could just like loosely cover it. Oh, mine's actually pretty warm. It feels a lot more cooked. Okay, so while that's cooking, we get to prep our mangoes. Now I have a lot of different mangoes here. Like these are the red mangoes and then these are the champagne mangoes. You're supposed to do like a really ripe mango, but everybody has their own description of what a ripe mango means. Like I feel like you think this is ripe and then like for me, I like it
crunchy.
I do like it crunchy. Okay, so we have to peel it. Do you know how to peel yours? With the knife or a veggie peeler?
I'll try this.
Okay, I grew up peeling my mango with a knife. That one smells really good. This does too, I guess.
Am I cutting it right?
Yeah. That looks pretty good.
Yeah.
You want to try this side? This knife?
Yeah, that's okay. Cut these too.
I would just eat that.
Just eat it?
Yeah, because in the video, she has it kind of like, just like the cheeks and then wrap it around. Okay, so my mochi is done. Let's take a look at it real quick. It gets super sticky at this phase. Whoa, and it's so hot. So with mochi, it's extra, extra sticky. So you always need like cornstarch or potato starch. I don't know why yours took a lot longer.
You said because I was stubborn, or it's stubborn.
Yeah, it's stubborn, just like you. Okay, so I think I'm only gonna use this much for now. Oh, look how bouncy that is. It's like slime. Let's see your texture. Looks pretty much the same for the most part. Yours looks a lot more pasty than mine. It's hot, huh? Okay, well I guess we'll just
start rolling it.
I mean, if you think you can handle it.
In real mochi foods,
Like they pound it.
Do you think they don't microwave it, right?
I think they steam it. Mine is still really hot. I almost feel like your piece, like cut in half, you can fit both of those, yeah. Do you remember one of our first ever episodes was making mochi ice cream? That was so hard because it was hot and then the ice cream was so cold, I kept melting it.
I'm gonna put the flat side down.
You think it'll grip?
Yeah.
Okay, it has to envelop.
Yeah.
You're actually pretty good at this. What?
Did it.
Okay, hold on, wait until mine. No. I just feel like there's so much like excess dough. Mine's cooled off a lot. Okay, and with your technique, you just like wrapped it like this. It looked so good. It looks so refreshing. Mine is too thick up here. Okay, like if this works and it's really good, I ordered some other fruits that we can try too. It's time for the reveal. So this is the mango mochi that I saw on TikTok and hers was incredible. Let's do the pull. Whoa, how satisfying is that? Looks pretty good. Yours has like a little bit more of that pull. Let's try Nate's. I like it.
The textures are kind of similar, so they kind of blend together.
That's why I feel like a really ripe mango is not the move. Try mine.
I don't think I'm a real big fan of mochi.
Why?
I just don't think I love it.
I'm gonna convince you. I also got a dragon fruit and some strawberries. Isn't this so beautiful? Did you notice a difference between the mochi dough?
Did you?
Not too much. It's easier to work with when it's warm. Hey, that looks so good. Whoa, that actually looks pretty epic. Strawberry wrapped mango is better than mango. Oh, it just has better texture. It's not so mushy. The thing that I don't get is like the mochi pool. This looks like a black sesame mochi ice cream. He doesn't eat fruit most of the time.
Strawberry is the winner.
Yeah.
But why is the mango one so popular?
I don't know. Maybe it's the color and just like the giant like size of it is so intriguing. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. The vinegar splash really doesn't do anything. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.